What up guys, it's your boy That's It Zach here, coming to another vlog. And today I'm going to show you guys what a vegan packs for traveling when he's fighting in another country. Because today we are going to Poland. I got a fight this coming weekend in Poland with Team Quebec. So I thought what a great way to show you guys kind of what I bring along to Poland with me. And kind of just like my busy morning and day. And then when we're in Poland, we'll do another whole lot of vlog there. But right now, we got a busy day. We gotta have breakfast, gotta cut my hair, we gotta go get my luggage at my grandmother's so we can pack my luggage. We got to work out, we gotta do a chest, we gotta do a push day. I'm gonna figure out what the workout is when we're there. But we got that, and got a couple of things to give to a couple of friends. And yeah, and we only have like 5 hours to do all this before I gotta go. So, quick change, and then we're gonna go head to hairdressers, get the cut, and then go get the luggage. So let's see what we're dealing with today. Before we do change, I got some big news for you guys. So stay tuned. I really hope you're gonna like it, and yeah, you'll find out during this vlog. If not, if you're following me on Instagram, you would have known already. But if not, you'll find out in this vlog today. Now let's go try on an outfit. Let's go. Come now. No, again? Yeah. We're gonna catch up to what we did before.
But this time, if you want to let it go, don't color it anymore.
No, I'm not.
Damage the hair.
Yeah, no, I won't.
Hello.
Sam will always be on my back. The sea got warm already since the last time you cut it. Whew. So now that we got the haircut done, it was actually raining before, so I couldn't film like going to the mall. But now we got the haircut done, I went to the bank, and again, I'm not gonna film the bank because you guys don't need to see that boring stuff of me exchanging money and all that type of things like that. Right now, we're heading to grandma's. Open door, it's a really heavy door. We're gonna go to grandma's right now, we're gonna pick up the luggage, say hi to her, spend a little bit of time with her, and then rush back home so we could pack. Because I kind of want to get that out of the way first, since in case I forget a little bit of things, and then continue, work out, make some snacks for the flight, because I tend to not be able to eat most things because of my allergies. And probably go say bye to grandma again because I miss her a lot and she hasn't been feeling too well lately. So always kind of gonna go, always want to go check up on her whenever I have the time. So right now, grandma's. Aki!
Oh ja, ja.
To.
Oh ja. Oh ja, ja.
Evo,
Ja.
uzmi. Ti vidiš?
Ja, ja.
Možeš pričat ovdje, ti hoćeš. Reći, haj, kako si?
Kako si, Zaki? Jesi okej? Ja. Je, on voli svaku životinju.
Ja.
I rekao, šta to odmah je, znaš šta? Rekao, ma blesava malo, znaš šta, luda, ja kažem, ja je.
And we are back home, and I'm pretty sure I finished everything that I needed for the trip. So let's go through what a vegan athlete brings along on his trip. Always gonna need that jock strap. Got 3 hand wraps. I got my kind of rehab, prehab, warm-up type deal. I got 2 sets of underwears to go with the outfit for Team Canada, Team Quebec. Mouth guard, boxing shoes, 2 pairs of socks because I believe I am fighting twice. We got my sparring / training gear with me here. This is an item that I'm going to give to someone in Poland. I thought it'd be nice to kind of bring some things there, since the income there isn't too high in boxing athletes. They're really appreciate certain items, so I thought why not a pair of bag gloves would be a really great way to kind of help them out. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh, what is that? That's right, guys. That's It merch has finally dropped. We got all these colors. Check them out. We got sweaters, we got tanks. I'm actually even wearing one right now, which isn't out yet, but it's kind of like the switch color. This is kind of what the logo looks like. You guys can message me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys want any t-shirt, tanks, sweaters. There's going to be toques coming out. There's going to be other t-shirts and sweaters coming out. We're just starting. I believe the first order went through and we had over like 85 people that ordered, which was really awesome. I didn't think that many people would have ordered, so that was really, really sick. But yeah, that's the merch. That was the big news that I was going to drop. It's out. It's finally done. So we're just going to continue from here. But yeah, you want to get some? DM me. Now back to what we're bringing to Poland. All right, I brought a pair of Vivo shoes. I got 2 of them, one to work out in, one to walk around with a couple of socks. I got 2 pairs of pants, kind of got one army color and one black color. That's pretty much what I'm gonna go with. Then I got 2 hats just in case it's cold. We got a Lole. It's kind of like a Lululemon competitor pretty much, but I got 2 hats. We got a towel to put in my bag, and now the rest of the items, which is gonna be food and the supplement related. Pretty much all you guys see here is like giddy yo-yo, so I'm like giddy yo-yoed up right now. So I brought some coffee that I coursed. It's honestly really, really delicious. So if you guys have a chance, you guys could go check out their website. They gave me a whole bunch of different chocolates. So we got like mocha, some mint, lemon salt, maca, original, chaga. I also got some maca powder, and I also got some salt. Just because of the elevation change and kind of being in the air for that long, usually you get like kind of swollen ankles and stuff, and it's usually due to salt changes that are happening within the body. So I'm going to take a couple of those with me. I also got my sponsors, Move Protein here. We're going to take some of that with me. We got chocolate and vanilla. We got a big container, which is like 1 kilo of oats with a container so I can make oatmeal when I'm there. We got some spirulina and chlorophyll pills, which again are from Giddy Yo-Yo. So I got those 2 things. Also got a mixture that I made of goji berries from Giddy Yo-Yo, once again, walnuts and cacao nibs. Then Giddy Yo-Yo gave me this thing, which is insanely delicious. It's like golden berries covered in chocolate, pretty much. Like that's what this is. So it's insanely delicious, and I'm really excited to kind of just munch on that. I'm pretty sure all the other athletes that are with me are really going to enjoy these. So I also brought kind of like a little one for my backpack. We got the Protein Work supplements, vegan omega-3s. I was kind of lazy and didn't want to carry flax seeds with me just because I didn't want to carry too many things in my bag. So this is usually what I take when I don't want to eat it. So this is what's happening. It's a lot simpler. It's a lot easier for me. You also got Pure Vitamins. Again, due to traveling. Oh, there we go. So due to traveling, again, the immune system kind of gets a shock and gets shot. So I want to make sure that I'm nice and strong for that. Also, we got Giddy Yo-Yo once again with the chaga or chaga. A lot of people say it differently. And we got the reishi, which are immune boosting. They're actually scientifically proven to help. And Giddy Yo-Yo was nice enough to send me 200 ml bottles that I'm going to take with me in my backpack and kind of, you drop it right under your tongue. That's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure, again, with like all the extra stuff, the toiletry, but you guys don't really care about that. But that's the food that I'm going to tag along and bring to make sure that I'm a-okay. I'm pretty much on weight now, so I don't have to lose that much weight anyways. Where I actually don't have to lose any weight at all. Let me correct that. Ooh, you guys made me remember talking about weight. I promised the team, since no one's bringing a scale, I would bring the scale. So that is going in before I forget. So scale, everything's done. Now we're gonna put all of that in the bag, and then we still got the workout to do, guys, and we still have to go see grandma one more time. And yeah, so let's do that. And then I'm gonna show you guys a little snack that I'm gonna take on the plane. Kind of a little simple remedy you guys can take with you. Really healthy, really fun, and changes the game a little bit when you're traveling. Makes it a lot easier, and a lot of people are gonna get jealous.
I thought you were joking.
No. We're at the gym right now. We're gonna get that push workout in that I said. Daniel's here with me.
Hello.
So we got like 45 minutes till I gotta catch my flight to Poland for my flight. So we're gonna do this quick push workout. I think we're just gonna kind of montage the whole thing so you guys could kind of just get an idea of like what we did, what I did. Pretty much. Oh look, that's it, logo. What's up? Yeah, so we're gonna do that workout and then rush home, take a shower, and then go quick to the airport because Daniel's driving and there's supposed to be a lot of traffic.
Hey, wait, what?
It's an international flight and I gotta be there 3 hours early. So montage live. All right, we just finished the workout. We're actually in a rush, and like I said, it was gonna be like a really quick one, so it was roughly around 45 minutes. So Daniel's driving me to the airport now. The team is texting me to ask me where I am, even though I'm like 3 hours early. Okay, so like I was saying, I brought a little bit of snacks with me to kind of have on the flight. So I made these little oatmeal muffins. Got chocolate, oatmeal, banana, goji berry, flaxseed, maca powder muffin, pretty much. Like that's everything that's inside. There's not really much. I also have a pure green juice from Dose that I still have. If you guys kind of want to see the ingredients, that's here. And then I also have those little kind of like covered goji berry, no, not goji berries, golden berries covered in chocolate that I told you guys I was gonna bring with me anyways. That's pretty much what I have with me now. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. That's it, it's done, we're finished. This is pretty much, I think we woke up at 8 o'clock, so it's been roughly, Daniel, do the math, 4, 5, 6, it's been roughly 7 hours. This is everything I did in roughly 7 hours. Pack what I like to carry along with me when I'm going to a country that I'm not too sure that I'll be able to eat, especially when it comes to a fight. Luckily for this one, I'm not cutting weight, but if you guys do want to see what I take on a weight cut travel, which I did for Team Canada tryouts, you guys could go up here. I'm gonna put like the link. You guys could go check that video out. It was in Edmonton. I did a weight cut, so I brought everything along that I needed to do the weight cut to make sure that I was roughly 200 pounds every single time. This time around, I only need to be 213 max. So right now I'm hovering around 210. So I'm pretty much okay. I don't have to cut weight. I don't have to lose water. I can pretty much just enjoy myself, just kind of maintain weight. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that's why, as you saw in my luggage, you're gonna see the differences if you watch the other video to this one of what I like to bring. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, enjoyed this week to come of Poland. I'm so excited to kind of see what's gonna be there, to show you guys, to take you along with me. That's it, it's your boy, That's It Zach. Again, if you haven't copped the merch, which I dropped, hit me up on Instagram. You guys could take sweaters, t-shirt, tank tops. There's gonna be a whole bunch of more things coming out. Daniel's rocking a sweater right now as well. Hey. And that's about it. So you know what it is, it's your boy, That's It. Punch, elbow, headbutt, knee, deuces.